Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Day 18 has finally come and I'm trying to find this door. Where is it? It's up here. I'm circling around day 18. Let's open you up and check out what's inside. Ooh, it's the fireplace. Yes, I can hang up all those stockings. Actually, there's lots of parts in this. I'm happy about that. Let's open this up and let's start building this awesome fireplace. I'm so glad we get a fireplace in this advent calendar. Be able to hang up the stockings for the girls. Now I need some flames here because every fireplace needs a fire. That's why it's called a fireplace. Anyway, let's pop these brackets here on the side and they will be some extra stocking holders also. And do these little slopey bits and this bracket here at the front. And then we need this little green leaf and some cherries here, which is the little holly. And look, the little stockings are going up. I've got 4 at the moment, but we're not going to have room for 5. Might have to put one down here or hang one like this on an angle. I don't know, we'll have to work it out. And my cat's having a sniff of one because, you know, he loves Christmas stockings. I cannot believe day 18 gone. 7 more sleeps to go to the big day. Cannot wait.